Close your eyes for a moment and imagine you're standing in front of a massive control room. Screens glowing, systems humming, and a team of brilliant specialists waiting for your command. Not humans, but AI agents. Each one with a role, each one with a purpose, each one ready to work for you. That is the world Autogen opens. Because when you use a normal AI model, you get one assistant. Smart, helpful, but single-threaded. It answers your questions, writes your snippets, gives suggestions, but you still do the debugging, the testing, the rerunning, the fixing. It's like having one smart friend in the middle of a giant project. Autogen flips that reality. Instead of one assistant, you suddenly get an entire AI department. A developer who writes flawless code, quality inspector who tests and fixes issues, a manager who supervises the workflow, and a messenger who keeps everything moving. You don't guide every step. You don't micromanage. You just state the goal and the agents take over. Autogen is built on multi-agent intelligence, where each agent has a precise persona. One might think like a senior engineer, another like a data scientist, another like a system operator. What makes them remarkable is not just their intelligence, but their ability to communicate. They debate, critique, correct, refine, and evolve until the task is complete. And unlike normal AI, Autogen agents can act. They don't stop at giving suggestions, they execute. They run code on your machine, observe errors, fix scripts, and try again, all without you typing another command. You'll often meet two core agents when you begin: the assistant agent, the professor, who plans, writes scripts, and handles deep reasoning, and the user proxy agent, the foreman, who runs the code, checks results, and reports instantly. Their interaction becomes a rapid ping-pong dialogue. The professor says, "Here's the solution." The foreman responds, "It didn't work." And the professor updates the instructions. Back and forth, fast and precise, until the task is perfect. Then they sign off with terminate. This is why Autogen is revolutionary. It shifts AI from a simple answer-generating chatbot into a collaborative AI workforce, a team that builds, executes, improves, and completes tasks. If you can imagine a job, if you can describe the outcome, Autogen can build the team that delivers it. Not the future of AI, the future of AI teamwork.